All right, so here's a question. What do you need to plow snow? So did a video on a John Deere 316 plowing snow with that. Here's my 75 F-150 that you've seen in previous videos. I've used this for years to plow snow. Like it. I like the fact I'm in a cab and that it protects me with heat and everything, and actually can be comfortable while plowing snow. So I just wanted to do a real short, quick video here. What do you need to plow snow? So depending on the size of the area where you're plowing snow, you have a small driveway, and it only take you a few minutes. You might only need a riding mower with a snowplow. In my case here, I have two large driveways, and I plow snow for a few other people. One of them I volunteer for. So I'll show you my setup. So basically I have 4 studded tires. I think I said this in another video, plowing snow with this dash cam view. I have an 8-foot Western snow plow with power angle, joystick controlled. There's a joystick control inside the cab. A little light there on that. The old Ford here is automatic, full-time 4-wheel drive. And then another valuable thing, if I can open this, not so much for the storm I'm dealing with right now, but I put about 700 pounds of weight in the back of the truck and strap it down so it's secure and don't slide around. That helps quite a bit with the extra weight hanging out the back of the truck. Then I also bring my trusty Ramsey Winch with me, which will go right in my receiver hitch and then plug right into there. You never know when you get stuck. So here's just a couple things of that I use to have in my plow truck. I also keep behind my seat. There's a bag right there of different hooks. I'll have to do a video on that, showing what I do. Like you have to pull somebody out, but I have a tow strap in there. Here, let's pull this out. I guess we'll just sit it here on the seat. But here's a, so far seems to be good quality, cannot find any made in USA. There's a Rhino USA tow strap. I do believe it's 20 feet long. And then also they came with, this is a kit. Bought this on Amazon. Came with, I think these are 20,000 pounds, don't quote me on that you can buy. I think they're both red, so you can easily see them when you need to hook something up. You just hook that right on. I also have, if I can show it here quick, I have a receiver hitch. I don't see that here, but you can hook that right in with a pin. It right there. Yeah, right there. You just take one of your old receivers that I have. This is kind of a light one, but it works perfectly. You need to pull somebody out that's stuck or whatever. Put that one clasp in there. I think that's what they're called. And then put the strap right in and you're all set to go. But also keep some jumper cables. I have my jump box in there as well, but this is just a couple things I keep in my plow truck when I plow snow or just out and about with it. So short video. Thanks for watching. This is GMEC. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.